Morning, and welcome back to Zabberg Creations Workshop, also known as the Garage. I'm not working on any projects this week, got some other things to take care of, but I did want to post a short video and show you all some of the amazing things that my wife and I have made in this garage over the years. So sit back and enjoy this short video of some videos and some pictures of the things that we've made. Thanks for watching. Back in the garage. Hey, I hope you enjoyed those videos and those photos of all the things that my wife and I have created in the garage together over the last few years. It's a pretty new adventure. Woodworking is fairly new to me. And then teaming up with her has just made the things that we turn out amazing. You can do this. It doesn't matter what age you are. You can totally do this. All you got to do is try. So thanks again for watching. Appreciate you guys. Next week we'll start a new build. Not sure what yet, but we'll build something here in the Zabberg Creations Workshop, also known as the Garage. Thanks for watching.